Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we'll see how to incorporate a document into the TexMaker, and let's compile a document and see is there any problem associated with the installed software and installed MakeTeX distribution. And here we go. So before we open the TexMaker, it'll be nice if the TexMaker gets loaded in the taskbar, because I definitely use TexMaker for all the documentation. I mean the LaTeX documentation I'll compile. So it'll be nice if that is there in the startup, like the Google Chrome. So for that, I'm just gonna give right click and just gonna click this pin to start. So here we are, like it gets loaded, and you can even variably move this from place to place, so keep it in your comfort zone. And I'll just click this open. And the first and important step to be noted is, like, we need to configure the installed software. So for that, go to option and configure TexMaker, and this is where the pre built content will be there. Like, for example, the output will be generally what do you call the PDF file. So just like PDF viewer should be built in or embedded, or external viewer. If it is an external viewer, you should point out the location in your C drive. And if you correctly copy paste the stuff, then you will not get any error in compilation, I mean any error in the output generation. And the next is called quick build. This very important thing, like we don't have to go compile every time, so we have a shortcut called quick build. And I just recommend, I've just kept it at PDF LaTeX plus view PDF, so which means that the document gets converted into a PDF output. You can even use the other formats. For example, if you use Z LaTeX and Lula LaTeX, these are the advanced versions, or the associated LaTeX versions. We'll come back to this in the advanced classes, but as of now, just kindly pay attention to this stuff, like PDF LaTeX plus view PDF. Just kindly make sure that you select it for the quick build. And in editor, you can even change the size and the font shapes, and the encodings. Like, this is very important, it has got list of encodings. Like, we'll come back to that a little later when we generate the other language files, the foreign language files, and other font encoding stuff in the advanced classes. I mean the same MOOC course with the advanced level. So as of now, just keep it all default. And the shortcuts, you can even create your own shortcut. And for example, for compiling or a quick build, generally keep F1. But let me check whether the quick build has got any shortcuts, or let me check. Yeah, quick build is F1. Yeah, it is F1. I generally prefer the same default stuff. And that's it. They configure TexMaker, and they're gonna close this dialog box, and I'm gonna open the file. So open, you don't have to make a new file, you just have to open, because it takes a lot of time. Don't worry, so we'll be doing the real stuff. I've saved the file in the desktop called LaTeX sample, and I'm going to take the test file and text.ex. So I'll just open the document. So it just say document class, begin document, end document. This is what I'm intended to print. So this is a test document. So I'll just compile. Either you can press this quick build, or you can press F1 in your keyboard. Either is the same. So I'm going to press this for a moment. Yes, the document gets compiled without any errors. So this is an important process. Once you install it, you should check whether that really works. If you have any difficulty, you should sort out at that point of time itself. So that's it. This is the end of the lecture. We'll see you in the next lecture, and have a great day.